Once again, everybody, we kicking this down with DOA, Ryu Hayabusa versus Hayate.
X-Mode.
I'm just dying to see who gonna win this.
X-Mode.
We got Nikkei and that's Ryu Hayabusa.
X-Mode.
And Ziggurat as Hayate.
X-Mode.
Let's see who gonna win this.
X-Mode.
Alright, get ready.
Let's do this.
Y'all choose the location. They going random.
X-Mode.
Get ready, fight!
Oh my god, Hayate starts the match off. Oh lord. Busa. He tries to do the primary lotus. Busa's countering for his life. Oh, he puts Hayate into the ground.
Get ready, fight!
Hayate coming back strong. Oh, Hayate does the counter. Oh my lord, Busa. Y'all. Oh, Busa did it. Wait. Oh my god, Busa killed. Hayate. Lord have mercy, who gonna win this? Where Busa going? Hayate knew it from the start. He kicking Busa's tail. Busa, get out of there. Busa starts back. Oh! Yeah, Busa, he getting serious on us. Lord, Hayate done started his crap. Busa does primary lotus once again. Oh my god, a heap of damage. Oh Lord. Lord. Oh, I'm dying to see this. Dying. It could be any one of them. Oh, Busa. Oh, look like Hayate. Oh, Hayate got this. Hayate. Oh, yeah. Man, dog, I lost.
Yeah, man. I told you. You can't mess with me, man.